So I can definitely feel the winds of change when it comes to gaming on a smartphone. It felt like the concept was massive in the early smartphone days, fueled by novelty. Then it petered out for a long time because, well, mobile game companies realized they could earn more profit making games like this instead of making games like this. But that feels like it's changing. Now that phones are reaching that critical mass of power to actually just be able to straight up play console games, it all of a sudden becomes very easy to bring actually good quality titles to phones because those games have already been made for other platforms. All of this is to say that there's a pretty strong case for gaming phones right now, and if you're in the market for one, I would say there's 3 top contenders. The Red Magic 8S Pro, which almost makes too much sense in a lot of ways, because you're essentially getting the most densely spec'd phone possible for an upper mid-range price. It's just missing a few quality of life features like water resistance and wireless charging, but mostly this whole invisible selfie camera thing. While it looks cool, it really does look cool, it performs absolutely terribly. And so that leaves us with Asus. Asus makes 2 gaming phones. They make the ROG Phone 7 and the ROG Phone 7 Ultimate. Both with top shelf performance, both with stupendous battery life, and also both with an ecosystem of accessories that genuinely makes them feel like a lot more than just a phone that can game. And you would think, well, if you're going to go